Depression usually comes from being far from Allah. Anyone who's in love and you take them away from their loved one, what happens to them? You feel distant. You feel sorrow. Our souls, their nature is that they want Allah. They need the remembrance of Allah. You know, the body consists of flesh and bone and muscle and blood. But there's two parts to the body. There's the physical sense and there's the spiritual sense. And the physical, we know what it needs. It needs exercise, it needs a good heart, it needs good food, it needs nutrition, it needs all of these things to have a good, healthy body. But what does the soul need? That soul needs Allah. And when that soul is taken away from Allah, it doesn't remember Allah, it's never in a good environment. It becomes depressed. It becomes lonely. It yearns for Allah. It yearns for its Creator. We need these environments. We need to be around good people. And when I say good people, you know, many of us have this habit. Oh, mashallah, you know, I have very, very good friends. They don't swear and they don't steal and they don't do anything wrong. They don't break the law. So these are good people. No, this is not. Again, wallahi, we've become so shallow. Good people means people that remember Allah. People that talk about Allah. People who don't sit there backbiting and slandering and slamming and my opinion and your opinion and these people and that people and people who, when I'm sitting with them, you know, I feel like I'm getting closer to Allah. I leave the gathering, I feel depressed, I want to go back there again. These are good people. People who pray. People who really have genuine fear of Allah. These are good people, so you need these people in your environment. The human being is a social creation, it's a social being. We are not loners, you know, this concept of, oh, I just want to be alone. This is wrong. Corruption. We are social beings, we are social creatures. And you will always be a product of your surrounding. So we need to be around good people.